We'll guide you through how to split graph axis in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop, then wait until the start screen fully loads before proceeding to the next step. Once the application is ready, click on Open and browse to the location where your workbook is saved. Select the workbook you want to edit and wait until it fully appears on your screen. Make sure the workbook contains two datasets that you want to compare in a single chart. Both datasets should include dates and their corresponding values so the chart can display accurate information. Take a moment to review the data structure carefully. After that, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. From the chart options, choose Scatter Chart. Select a basic scatter chart style to keep the display clean and easy to read. Once selected, confirm that the scatter chart appears on your worksheet. Next, right-click on the empty area inside the chart and choose Select Data Source from the menu. In the dialog box that appears, click Add to insert a new data series. In the Edit Series window, you may leave the series name empty if you prefer. Click inside the Series X Values box, then highlight or block the date data from your worksheet. After that, click inside the Series Y Values box and block the corresponding values next to the dates. Click OK to confirm the series input and return to the chart. Now review the scatter chart to make sure the data is displayed correctly. Click on the horizontal axis, then right-click and choose Format Axis. Adjust the date format to show the day and month or the full date, depending on your preference. If needed, modify the axis bounds or intervals to improve readability and better separate the data points. Next, right-click on one of the data points and choose Format Data Series. You can change the line color or marker style if you want to make each dataset more distinct. Resize the chart to improve visibility and layout on the worksheet. When everything looks clear and organized, click outside the chart to finalize your changes. Finally, save your Excel file to ensure all modifications are properly stored and secured.